What's up guys, Shehbaz here. Today I have received another budget masterpiece of this year named Samsung Galaxy A12. Yes, unsurprisingly given its designation, the Galaxy A12 is another budget phone belonging to the 2021 Galaxy A lineup. Don't go anywhere. Please watch the full video content. Coming up next. Let's open the box. Alright, firstly, here is a warranty card. Another box. I think it contains other paper documentation. Let's open it. Yes, it contains quick start guide and warranty card book. The box that I have received does not have any silicone back cover. Alright, here is the budget masterpiece. We will discuss later. Here is an IMEI token, a SIM tray ejecting key, a 15 watts fast charger, USB Type-C cable, and a standard hands-free included the package, and the quality is much better. Alright, here is the budget phone Samsung Galaxy A12 with 6.5 inches display, quadruple main camera, and display fingerprint scanner. Let's remove the cover. Wow! This is gloss, this is variety, this is beauty. When you hold it in your hands, it feels wonderful. Basically, it is budget phone, but the feelings coming from the phone are premium. Let's start the device. The device has powered on. It has attractive and ergonomic design. Smooth lines and an ergonomic design provide comfortable one-handed control and hold of the smartphone. Galaxy A12 comes in classic colors, black, red and blue. It has a slightly higher prices compared to its A02s sibling, but it offers a few extra features in return. Bigger and brighter screen, see everything and more. The Galaxy A12 has a unibody design, which means that unlike many other Galaxy phones on the market, it does not have any metal frame separating the front and back panels. Instead, the case is made of a single molded piece that wraps around until it meets the display. The large 6.5 inches HD Plus V-notch camera screen is designed for immersive content. The Galaxy A12 delivers vibrant visuals with HD Plus support. 4 cameras that makes always perfect shots. Capture memorable moments with Galaxy A12 48 megapixel main camera. The ultra-wide-angle camera captures breathtaking panoramic shots. The depth sensor camera focuses on the essentials, and the macro camera captures the smallest details and objects. Ultra-wide-angle camera for stunning shots. The ultra-wide-angle camera allows you to capture the world in full color with a wide viewing angle. Macro camera for capturing the finest details. A macro camera for close-ups with greater detail will allow you to capture what is not visible to the naked eye. You can also add a more natural bokeh effects to your portrait shots. Focus on the essentials. A camera with a depth sensor allows you to focus on the main subject and get a stunning picture with an adjustable blur effect. Perfect selfies every time. The Galaxy A12 8-megapixel front camera lets you take great selfies with its specially developed live focus feature, which can beautifully blur the background. A powerful battery that lasts all day. A 5000 mAh typical battery lets you play, stream, and share files all day long. A 15 watts quick charge will help you stay in the dynamic rhythm of your life. Galaxy A12 has a fast processor and ample storage, enhanced 8-core processor and 4 GB of RAM. Keep any application running smoothly and efficiently with 32, 64, 128 GB of internal storage. Micro SD card up to 1 TB. You can store even more content. Simple and user-friendly interface One UI Core. The Galaxy A12 has received an Android 10 operating system and support for with One UI 2.5 shell. Concentrate on what matters most. Hardware and software work in perfect harmony with each other so that you can quickly and easily use the content and functions of your smartphone. Night mode, which the smartphone switches to in the evening, allows you to optimize the brightness of the screen to provide a comfortable viewing environment in the dark. A reliable protection system is now available to everyone. Complete data security with Samsung Knox. Samsung Knox multi-layered security system protects your personal data from viruses and malicious attacks, both hardware and software. Viewing content without restrictions. Galaxy A12 supports Google services and apps. We will show you how to keep your device in top condition. Choose your perfect Galaxy A smartphone. Real innovation should be available to everyone. That's why Samsung created the Galaxy A range. It has everything you want from a smartphone at an attractive price point, from the stunning edge-to-edge screen to the ultimate performance. We hope you will like this video. If you do, please hit the like button, share, and comment below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for our future videos. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Be safe. Peace out.